Good evening and Jai Hind. Today we are going to discuss the difference between conventional and non-conventional sources of energy first. So first of all, in the same sequence, energy can be defined as the capacity or ability to do work. It plays an important role in our day-to-day life as it is required in every field like industry, transport, communication, sport, defense, household, then agriculture and more. There are plenty of energy resources to get energy. These energy resources can be classified as conventional and non-conventional sources of energy. Let us see how they differ from each other. Conventional sources of energy. Conventional sources of energy are the natural energy resources which are present in a limited quantity and are being used for a long time. They are called non-renewable sources. As once they are depleted, they cannot be generated at the speed which can sustain its consumption rate. They are formed from decaying matter over hundreds of millions of years, and these resources have been depleted to a great extent due to their continuous exploitation. It is believed that the deposits of petroleum in our country will be exhausted within few decades, and the coal reserves can last for 100 more years. Some common examples of conventional sources of energy include coal, petroleum, natural gas, and electricity. Now, non-conventional sources of energy. So, non-conventional sources of energy are the energy sources which are continuously replenished by the natural processes. These cannot be exhausted easily, can be generated constantly, so can be used again and again. Example, solar energy, wind energy, tidal energy, biomass energy, and geothermal energy, etc. The energy obtained from non-conventional sources is known as non-conventional energy. These sources do not pollute the environment but do not require heavy expenditure. They are called renewable resources as they can be replaced through natural processes as a rate equal to or greater than the rate at which they are consumed. Now, based on the above information, some of the key differences between conventional and non-conventional sources of energy are as follows. First, we will discuss the point of conventional sources of energy, then non-conventional sources of energy. Now, the first point of conventional sources of energy is these sources of energy are not abundant, present in limited quantity, example coal, petroleum, natural gas. Now the difference on the other hand for non-conventional sources of energy, these sources of energy are abundant in nature, example solar energy, wind energy, tidal energy and etc. Now the second difference of conventional sources of energy is they have been used for a long time. Second difference of non-conventional is they are yet in development phase over the past few years. Now the third difference of conventional sources, they are not replenished continuously, they are formed over a million of years. Third difference in non-conventional, they are replenished continuously by the natural processes. Now the fourth difference of conventional sources of energy, they are called non-renewable sources of energy, and on the other hand for non-conventional sources of energy they are called renewable sources of energy. Now the fifth difference is of conventional sources of energy, they can be exhausted completely due to overconsumption except for hydel power, and in case of non-conventional sources of energy they cannot be exhausted completely. So they are the basic difference between the conventional sources of energy and non-conventional sources of energy.